Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to manage comments in Google Sheet. Let's get started. Go to the top menu and click View. Select the comments. Hover over comments and select an options. Hide comments to clean up your view. Minimize comments for a compact display. Show all comments to review every comment in the sheet. Click Show all comments. On the right panel, view, filter and manage your comments under all comments. You can also start a discussion by clicking Add comments. That's it. Make your Google Sheet neat and easy to work on by managing comments smoothly. Thanks for watching.